Good morning students. Today we will read chapter 10 verbs modals. First of all, defining modals. Modals are a special group of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary means helping verbs that help the main verbs used to express certain meanings like permission, ability, possibility, suggestion, promise, intention, request, prohibition, necessity and wish. Means these are the helping verbs that is used with the main verbs. The most commonly used modals are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, dare. These are the helping verbs. It means helping verbs are modals that is used with the main verbs. First of all, modals of ability. Modals of ability, first is can, to indicate an ability to do something, be capable of, know how to. This is the ability of a person. Jaya can play the flute. Play the flute, this is the ability of Jaya. Ravi can paint very well. Paint very well, this is the ability of Ravi. Could indicate a past ability. I could do somersaults in my childhood. This express that could is used to indicate the ability of past. Be able to indicate an ability to do something which is more possible than can. It means we can use be able to in both present or past. Can is used for the present tense. Could is used for the past tense. However, be able to can be used with any tense. Okay. We were able to cross the bridge safely. I will be able to catch the train on time. He is able to drive. Able to is used for any tense. Can is used with present tense and could is used with past tense. Next, modals of permission. First of all, may. May is used for giving the permission. To ask a formal permission politely when we ask permission from our elders, teachers. May I leave now? This is the permission. Politely, permission politely. This is the formal permission and we use may with formal permission. Can to ask for an informal permission when we ask permission from our friends or our elders. Can I borrow your phone to make a call? Next, could to ask for a formal permission more polite than may. It means could is more polite than may. When we ask permission more politely we use could. And this is to suggest a formal permission in the past. Could is used for giving the permission in the past. Could you get me a glass of water? The teacher told me that I could take a leave on Friday. This is the permission of past and this is the permission more politely than me. Okay students, I hope you have understand well. Now you have to understand the definition and the rules of modals. Okay, thank you.